GitHub account, sir. How can I create a GitHub account? Simple, very simple. GitHub account. How can I create a GitHub account? Simpler, easier, dead easy. Okay, what is this? Dead easy, boss. No problem. Dead easy. Suppose, for example, see, observe carefully. Observe carefully. See, whenever you join any organization, yes, they provide a GitHub access. They provide a GitHub account access for you. Okay, okay, then you log into the GitHub account and you do some other things. Or you can push the your code or scripts into GitHub account. Okay, that means what? They provide a access. సార్ కేకే సార్ ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్తారా లేకపోతే మనకి ఏమైనా వాట్సాప్ ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ దే ప్రొవైడ్ ఎ మెయిల్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఓకే, లేదా నువ్వు టికెట్ రైజ్ చేయి, హే just now I need this kind of access, please provide. Yes, please provide like this. Raise the ticket. How to raise the ticket? Is there any tool to raise the ticket? Yes, Jira is available now. Very famous tool, Jira. Some of the organizations using Jira, some of the organization using some other tools, some of the organization using their own tools. We cannot say like that. Okay, so that's what we'll understand step by step, no problem anyway. But how to let's say in a ticket, how to work with tickets and how to raise the ticket and each and everything we will understand, no problem anyway. But first of all, we need to understand Git and GitHub lives. Okay, now see, to push the code into GitHub. Okay, once you develop the code or once you write the script, to push the script or code into GitHub. Okay, GitHub is a place where we store or managing our a second copy of the scripts or a second copy of the project code. సార్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్, ఏం లేదమ్మా, చెప్తాను 1 minute. Yeah, we'll wind up, no problem. Within 5 minutes, we will wind up the session. Just give me just 1 minute. Okay. GitHub. GitHub is a place where we are maintaining, okay, where we maintain or where we maintain, okay, our project source code, that's all. Source code, that's all. Or where we maintain our second copy of project source code. Second copy of project source code. Excellent answer. Okay, second copy of our project source code. So our project code is available inside a GitHub. That's all, inside a GitHub. Inside a GitHub. Okay. So GitHub is having two places. GitHub is having inside a GitHub. There are two places inside a GitHub. Okay, inside a GitHub. Yes. There are two places. Okay, there are two places. Yes. Entity. First one, public access purpose. Second one, private, private access. Okay, public access as well as private access. Okay, public access and private access. Sir, what is meant by public access and what is meant by private access? Yes. So where we store our source code, either inside a public or private? No. So public access, okay. Public access, okay. Public access, that means means public can access our code. That's all. Public access means public can access our code without any permission, without any permission. అంతే. ఫేస్బుక్లో ఫొటోస్ పెట్టి ఎవరు చూడొద్దు, ఎవరు చూడొద్దు అంటే పబ్లిక్ యాక్సెస్, అది ప్రైవేట్ కాదు. పబ్లిక్ యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చావు. యూట్యూబ్లో వీడియోస్ పెట్టి ఎవరు చూడొద్దంటే పెట్టావు, పబ్లిక్లో పెట్టినప్పుడు అంతే చూస్తారు. అట్లాగే ఇది కూడా. సార్ కేకే సార్, నీకు తెలుసో లేదో యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా ప్రైవేట్ యాక్సెస్ ఉంది, నువ్వు ఒక్కడికి కనపడతావు, వేరే వాళ్ళకి కనపడవు. అది పెట్టినా ఒకటే, అట్లా పుష్ చేసినా ఒకటే, చేయకపోయినా ఒకటే. కాబట్టి ప్రైవేట్ యాక్సెస్ వేరే, పబ్లిక్. బట్ మీన్స్ ప్రైవేట్ యాక్సెస్ మీన్స్ ఎస్, మీన్స్ ఓకే, our our project resource or our project or our organization or our organization resource or our project team can access, that's all. Only our project team can access, that's all. Only our project team can access this code, ante, that's all. Oh, project code, yes. Private access and public access. Okay, so private access means, okay, our project team can access, that's all. Okay, now private access, or we can also call as a private our project code is available inside a private repository, private repo, that's all. Our project code is available inside a public private repository only. ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. Always our project code is available inside a private repository only. Okay. If you want to okay, they provide an access to pull this code into your local machine. Okay, they provide an access to pull this code into your local machine. Okay, they provide an access to push the code, that's all. Pull and push. Clone లేదా ఏంది, clone కూడా ఉంది, or clone, that's all. To pull and push or clone purpose, they provide an access, that's all.